Hi, this is Sandeep, the ERP coordinator from Agenize Technologies. In this video, I am going to show how to enter into the student dashboard and then give the quiz on the student dashboard. So first of all, type in the URL of the Agenize portal, that is gdgpsj.theschoolmanager.com, like written here. In the username field, type in the admission number of the student, and in the password field type in the password for that particular ID. I am using a demo ID here, and then click on the login button. So after clicking on login, a daily alert pop-up window will be visible, in which daily alerts like homework, eConnect and quiz etc. will be visible to the student. On the student dashboard, details of the student are visible, and in this left menu you can see different tabs such as my profile, my attendance, homework, fee, etc. Scrolling down on the page, here is the quiz button where the quiz will be published here. So I am entering into the quiz section. Here you can see the title of the quiz that has been published by the teacher, the quiz date, the quiz start time, quiz end time, etc. And then there is the action field where no button is visible to the student yet, as the quiz time has not started. So let's wait for the quiz time to be start. Before that, when you click on that particular quiz title, you can see the details of the quiz that is gonna be on the particular date. You can also see the duration, total marks, etc. and also the instructions here. I have typed 2 demo instructions here, as you can see. So let's wait for the quiz time to be started. After the quiz time has been started, click on the refresh button. So in the action field, you can see a start quiz button. After clicking on this start quiz button, the question paper will be visible to the student. Here, as this is a objective type question, I will select the correct answer of this question, and then I will click on the save and next button. So after that, next question will be visible. I will answer that question too. So in this way I can answer all the questions. Also the objective type I can type in the answer here, like this. So I have attempted all the questions. So these all questions buttons are green here. After that, a finish test button will be visible. So after clicking on this finish test button, clicking on OK, your quiz will be submitted. If you want to review the question paper, you can click on the buttons which are visible here, like this total question and the attempted question. You can also click on that if you have missed any question. So here I have reviewed and attempted questions as per my best abilities. This declaration will be checked by the student, and then the student will click on submit for evaluation. Clicking on OK will submit this quiz to the teacher. So after that, this page will be visible. The quiz is submitted successfully, and all the details are shown here for that quiz. Okay, then quit on this page. So after the submission of this quiz, if the student want to see the quiz result, he can go in the quiz result button, which is in the bottom of this menu. As here the current quiz result is not visible because the end time of the paper is not over yet. After the completion of the paper, so here after the result publication, the student will get the result for that quiz. Click on this information tab, and the student can view the response of his question paper. Like this, he can see also which option he has chosen, and if the answer is correct, you can also see the correct answer below of that question.